Passive income using AI technology. How can we do it? Is it possible? Yes, it is. Stay tuned. My name is Paul Tilley and I am from moojelly.com. Check it out to get lots and lots of ideas about passive income and earning that freedom that we all need. Stay tuned. Using AI technology for passive income. Okay, so here I am at this little mind map, and I'm going to use this mind map basically to share several ideas over several videos about how you can use AI technology, I need to start saying that word, to develop passive income. So at the moment, I've got an idea for about 4 videos. There may be more. So do check out the channel. Please like, subscribe, make a comment, ring the bell, do whatever, share it with your granny, anything like that. And I would be eternally grateful. Okay, so what we're going to do first is we're going to look at YouTube, how we can develop AI YouTube video that will automatically develop some sort of passive income. So we're going to go through our little map here. And I'm going to take you through the journey, then I'm going to take you through step by step how to do it. So obviously we're going to do passive AI income, and we're going to use YouTube as our main channel for developing that income. So let's look at the first video. Why is it not opening? Okay, got it. I don't know why it wasn't going to open. Okay, so first of all, obviously we need to go to our AI, and we're going to utilize that. Actually, there's another tool I want to show you as well that we can use alongside AI that I haven't got in this, but it's absolutely fine. And then with the AI, we're going to develop an idea. Then from the idea, we're going to develop titles. And then from the title, we're going to develop a script. And we're going to get tons of ideas for tons of videos. And the idea is from once we have the script, then we go to an AI video maker that I'll show you that you can sign up for. And then from the AI video maker, we're going to go to upload the video, the completed video, to YouTube. And then from there, the way that we can develop some sort of passive income is through adverts, of course. Once we get enough subscribers and we build up a channel, we can start to sell merchandise through the YouTube channel, depending on the theme of the YouTube channel. And always for any sort of internet marketing or passive income, we're going to try and build up a email list. And for that email list, then we can start to obviously make other sales to them. So I hope that all makes sense to you. That is the journey that we're going to take. I'm going to show you how to do that journey. Stay with me. Okay, so the first step in our journey is we need to come to ChatGPT. Easy to sign up to. Go to chat.openai.com and you can sign up there. It does get quite busy at certain times. So, if you can't get in because the system is a bit overloaded, come back another time. It's absolutely fine. I obviously am in Greenwich Mean Time, and it's what is the time now? The time is just coming up to 11 o'clock at night, and there doesn't seem to be any problems. So if that helps you, that may be a way that you can get on. So what we want to think about is we want to ask a question like, what are some profitable YouTube themes. Let's try that. And let's see what comes up. I may keep pausing this because sometimes obviously it takes a long time to sometimes load it. Okay, so we've got gaming and esports, DIY, beauty and fashion, food and cooking, travel, vlogging, technology and gadgets, health and fitness, education and tutoring, comedy, entertainment, pets. So what we want to do is maybe we could go through that, or we could ask it show me some more ideas that could make me money. It's the weird thing about this is like, it's hard not to think that you're actually sort of really talking to a human sometimes. Okay, so here are lots of other ideas that we could consider. And what you want to do is just go through these ideas and pick one. Now, if you get to this point and you're still struggling a little bit, what you can do is either take some of these, or you can go over to something like Google Trends, which is always really helpful, and you can try and look about some of the things that are trending or at the moment. Let's see if anything sort of crops up here. So you may sort of be able to go through some of these and see, like say football, for example, could be a thing. Remember, you don't have to be an expert on whatever you choose. That's very important. So what we're going to do, I'm going to sort of look at cryptocurrency. It may be a little bit of what you can do. I say you can just sort of put it on here and just sort of see if how cryptocurrency is doing as a topic. I want to go maybe. So it might be going down a little bit. Yeah, so it's sort of got a bit of a downward trend, but it's not too bad. So I think it's okay. I think we'll be okay with this. And obviously we can get some more ideas from here, related topics. I have no idea what this is. Money laundering. Stablecoin. Okay, so what I decided to do was to try this one, cryptocurrency scams and fraud prevention tips. I actually thought that would be quite specific, quite poignant. And remember, what we're trying to do is build up a YouTube channel of quite a lot of these videos. So not every video has to be like a complete winner. So I basically went down and I asked it, here we go, write me a script for a YouTube video that will make money based on the title, cryptocurrency scams and fraud prevention tips. And here we have the script that's written. Okay, so it's given 5 points. If I wanted to, I could say something like expand this script. You can even ask it, expand this script to mention my free ebook, for example. So, and it would. It's really, really clever like that. That you can sort of keep adding stuff and make it. You can change it to make it, make it in the first person, make it in the third person. All these sort of things you can sort of do with this. So it's absolutely an incredible tool, as you can see. So I'm going to stop this because we don't need to put that in again. So I'm going to use the script. I'm going to show the next step in what to actually do now with the script to create a video that you don't actually have to present. So that's the amazing thing here. If you hate being in front of the camera, if you're a bit nervous or shy, if you maybe English is your second language, so you really struggle with certain words and phrases, your accent, for example, you don't have to be in front of the camera. Okay, I will show you. Okay, so what I did first, I went to an app like Hemingway Editor, which I use for just very quick editing, just get it out of the way. And I just sort of cleaned it up a little bit. I took out the titles, when he said, on here, for example, he said closing, that sort of stuff. I also just added this bit here. Hello, everyone. My name is Paul Tilley from moodjelly.com. You can add that sort of stuff. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy all this and I'm going to go over to this app called Pictory. Pictory is a great little, very clever AI type of app where you can build YouTube videos. The link is in the description. It is an affiliate link. So if you click on it and use it and sign up, then I will get a small commission. So thank you very much for that. And we're going to crack on and put this in here. Please like, subscribe and comment. Tell me how you get on with this video, any thoughts or suggestions. Okay, so what we do is we go to the script editor and then we click paste from clipboard. Hello. Okay, so there we are. We have the whole script there, characters, all that. Spell check, yeah. Let's just double check. Nothing sort of crops up. Okay. What we could do is go through and we could highlight certain things, and that will. Okay, it's taking it off actually. Let's do the opposite. I want to highlight that. I'll maybe want to highlight Moodjelly because that's my website. I want people to go to it. And yeah, okay, let's proceed. We can mess around with screen settings as we've done, highlighting certain words. Let's proceed and see what comes up from this. Okay, so here you have all these sort of options for templates. So this is going to be the style that your video is going to go into. Now, I really like this one. There is like a cryptocurrency one down here, but you know, looking at all these, I think this one's really nice for, like, I don't know, warning, be careful, that sort of stuff. So I'm going to click on this. 16 by 8 is absolutely fine. And then we wait. Okay, so what it's done is converted that text into videos, and it's just done it automatically. Haven't had to do anything. If I wanted to, I could obviously edit the video. I could upload a voiceover. You know, for example, you could get, if you couldn't do this yourself for whatever reason, you could get someone on Fiverr. Again, I'll put a link to Fiverr, which I will get a small commission if you do use it. That's another way to do it. So let's have a quick look at what it spat out. So if we preview this, basically what it's done is added stock footage behind each of the scripts and added not going to keep playing that. You still get the point. So you could use this. You could download it. Obviously, you'd have a watermark unless you paid for a subscription. But even the watermark, you could potentially still use to build up your channel. That was really. I know that's taken like 10 minutes to explain this because I've been faffing around so much. But you know, once you've generated the titles of all the different videos, and once you've sort of decided, okay, I'm gonna make these 10 videos to build up this brand new YouTube channel, you could whiz this out almost in one night and have 10 videos ready to go and start to build up your channel. It's a really good way to build up a passive income using YouTube. And as I say, you can simply have adverts on YouTube and build it up in that way. You could have if you basically say, for example, if you did it all on cryptocurrency, you could also generate a free ebook that people could download. So you could have that as a free download through your YouTube channel, and then you build up your email list through that, and then you can start to sell in that email list as well, also using AI. And so there's lots of different ways that you can use this. Now, if you did this with some of the other videos that I'm going to upload as well, and you had it as all one big strategy, that's sort of the goal of this set of videos. You can use this as an individual, so you could use this strategy just by itself, or you could have all the strategies that I'm going to upload has one big mega strategy that you can use, and you can basically burn hundreds of different AI ways of building up a passive income. So thank you very much. Please subscribe, like, comment, ring the bell, reach out to me. Let's chat. Let's come up with lots of ideas for finding the freedom that we all deserve. And please visit moojelly.com. Thank you very much. My name is Paul Tilley.